Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Analyze the Java method's loop and conditions to find the return value. Following the logic makes cracking this code super fast. First, look at the for loop, which iterates through every single character in the word string. It uses the variable k to track the current index from 0 to the end. Inside that loop, the code creates a one-character substring at position k. Then it uses the index of method to see if that specific letter exists anywhere inside the target. If the letter is found, index k is added to the total. The final result is the sum of indices, making option E correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing. Always trust the given code and check your steps carefully.